What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Strap in and hold tight because the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V ain't your grandpa's caddy. It's an electric SUV that just signed its name on the We Don't Play Nice list. Under the hood, well, no hood, but you get the vibe, is a dual-motor AWD setup that cranks out 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque when you hit that Velocity Max V-Mode button. That launch translates to a mind-melting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making Lyriq-V officially the quickest Cadillac ever built. Caddy didn't just slap in big motors. They reworked the suspension, dropped the ride height a bit, and gave it a tuned adaptive damping setup with a shorter steering ratio. What that means in real talk, this EV SUV can hustle. Sharp turns, quick steering, stable braking thanks to upgraded Brembo-style front calipers and beefed-up brakes. Battery-wise, there's a 102 kilowatt-hour pack, giving a claimed 285 miles of range on a full charge. Public DC fast charging hits up to 190 kilowatts, enough to juice you up with roughly 75 miles of range in 10 minutes. That's solid for weekend blasts or quick top-ups before a drive. Slide in, and the Lyriq-V cabin feels like it raided a tech showroom and a luxury lounge. Immersive 33-inch LED display, rooftop glass panel, panoramic roof, premium finishings, and seating trimmed with V-Series specific touches, leather, sport bolsters, V-embroidery, etc. It aims for that smooth EV glide by day, adrenaline missile by night vibe. Normal driving, quiet, smooth, comfy. But flick that V-mode switch and it shifts to, I'm not here to sip coffee, I'm here to bully dirt roads. Steering is lighter, brakes are firm, suspension adaptive. For an SUV, it does a good job balancing daily driver comfort plus occasional, let's see what this thing can do. AKA where Lyriq-V wins. Instant torque plus AWD plus cushy ride. Unique mix EV SUV that feels sporty and refined. Straight line speed and launch control, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, ready to embarrass many gas SUVs. High-tech, luxury cabin plus EV perks, panoramic roof, huge screen, quiet drive plus instant torque. Fast charging plus decent range, 285-mile claimed range plus 75 miles in 10 men DC charge. Good balance for daily life plus weekend fun. What to know? Reality check. That 285-mile figure? Probably when you're gentle. Push the pedal and don't expect real-world range to match. It's a heavy SUV, big battery, AWD, all that mass, so efficiency and cornering finesse can be compromised compared to lighter EVs or sport SUVs. The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V doesn't try to be the ultimate track machine nor the cheapest EV. What it is a full-on dual-motor EV SUV that balances luxury, performance, practicality, and tech. If you want EV comfort but still crave bursts of acceleration, if you want a car for daily drives, weekend highway runs, and occasional spirited drives, this hits the sweet spot. It's a hybrid personality, smooth operator by day, street missile by night. In 2025/2026 EV era, where many EVs feel corporate safe or slow, Lyriq dares to be bold. It proves you can have quiet torque, plus zero emissions, plus real-world speed, plus Cadillac-level comfort, all in one SUV crossover package. So Car Rev 3 fam, if you see this in your driveway, first drive, sunrise cruise on the boulevard, long distance run, or tire-smoking burnout just for fun, comment below. Smash that like and subscribe for more real car talk. Car Rev 3, real cars, real vibe, EV versus gas till the wheels melt.